acapella and voice. You like it, baby? Why should I feel discouraged? And why should the shadows come? Why should my heart feel lonely and lost? For heaven is home when Jesus is my portion. A constant friend is He. His eye is on the sparrow, and I know that He watches over me. I sing because I'm happy, and I sing